love the 2011 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, XM satellite radio, anti-lock braking system, traction control, third row seat, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.